Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create or change an icon of an app. So first of all, open the shortcut apps. After that, press on select. Here you can see on the screen there are many options appear, but you have to click on open app. After click on that app, touch the app, and here you see the list of all the apps have stored on your iPhone. So you can select any of them whom you want to change your icon. So I'm selecting ChatGPT right now. After selecting, press on done, and now you can see in the below there is an option in the middle icon, icon. You have to touch on that. After touching on that, you see on the screen there are many options appear. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and like the video. Hope so you are enjoying the video. After clicking on add to home screen, so the next step is click on add to home screen. This is very easy procedure. So here you can see there are two options appear. One is you can select any photo, any icon from your phone gallery, or take a photo randomly. You can see choose file or choose photo or take photo. Like if you want to take a photo, choose a file, then the icon will be the picture that you selected. So the next one is you can change the color, or you can change the icon, theme, emoji, anything you can apply. So here I'm testing the different colors and different icons on this, so you can know how you can change it. So this is very easy step. You can change icon on your iPhone. I don't know about Android phone, but I think the same procedure is for Android phone. Now you can see the chat GPT icon is created on my mobile. So let's test this. If you open this, chat gpt will appear. Like this is the new and easiest way. I have two chat gpts icon on my phone, and whenever I open both of them have same data. You can see this is a shortcut of chat gpt but gives the same information. Hope so you like the video, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.